problem 5-2 of the homework, and in this problem it's asking us to really look at the basic future value formula, which is not something that we really want you to do. We want you to utilize the technology, but this question does ask you to just look at the manual future value formula, which we know is the present value times 1 plus the interest rate taken to the power of n, and n is the number of periods in the problem. So in this problem we have a present value of $1, and we want to find out what it would be in the future. In this case is 18 periods, or 18 years in this case, and at a rate of 7%. So if we were to calculate this manually with the formula, we can say equals 1 times 1 plus the interest rate would be 1.07, and we could take that to the power of 18, and we use the caret above the number 6 to take something to a power, in this case power of 18, and we get 3.38. That's 3 decimal places, so $3 and 38. Oops, brought my period there. 338. There we go. Or we could utilize an Excel function, in this case the future value function, and we could utilize the formula builder for that. So we could search for the future value, FV, and then just simply plug everything in here. So in this case we have a rate of 0.07. Remember, when we use Excel, we enter interest rates as a decimal. If we were using a time value of money calculator, we would enter it in as a percentage. Again, we use a decimal to input rates into Excel formulas. Number of periods is 18, and the present value is $1, and we come up with the same amount, $3.38. Don't worry about the negative sign. As we go through time value of money, we learn that we enter either the present value or the future value. One will be entered as a negative, and really we have to think of cash flows and cash outflows as far as determining which would be the most appropriate to enter as the negative. In this case, because we would be investing $1, we would think of that as being $1 out of our pocket. So we would, when we enter a formula, typically put negative as the present value, because again, we're thinking of this as a cash outflow, an investment. Always think about money out of your pocket, not out of your bank account. And if we use negative as the present value, then we have a positive future value. So again, some semantics here, but this does become more important in future applications of time value of money, that being when and where we use the negative sign.